you check the status of your HSBC Singapore credit card application? Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to check the status of your credit card. So you can check the status of your HSBC Singapore credit card application by calling HSBC customer service or visiting the HSBC website itself. Or else you could so if you're visiting a website, what you can do is go ahead and type in. So when you go ahead and type in that, you could find out this link where it says www.hsbc.sg credit card. So you could go ahead and open up the link, and here you should be able to find the application status. Likewise, if you're unable to do it, so you could just directly contact the service team at the toll-free number that can be found in the app itself. And next thing is that you could go to the credit card section of the HSBC website. Then you could go ahead and enter in your phone number and register for the number that you've registered for the application and verify the number. You should be able to see the status. So this way you could go ahead and check the status. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.